Good morning, students. This is 10th class worksheet 3, Unit 1 Attitude is Altitude. Before going to complete this paragraph, read the textbook thoroughly and go for the answers. Now, first one, what was the cruel trick referred to in this above passage? First one is C answer correct. They got a baby without limbs by fate. It was very sad and unfortunate thing. Second one, what was the state of mind of the mother when Nick was born? Answer is A, correct. So upset and worried. Third one, mainstream school in the above passage refers to. Answer is D, correct. The school which is designed for disabled children. The fourth one, Nick's mother was a D, correct answer, nurse. In the line, it was very hard, but here it refers to. A is correct answer. The parents' decision about his schooling. Sixth one of the following statements is not correct as per the passage. Option A, Nick's classmates insulted him in the school. Some of his classmates helped him moving. Nick showed confidence like other children. He never used wheelchair for his mobility. Now D is correct answer. He never used wheelchair for his mobility. Seventh one, what did Nick's mother invent? A special plastic device. A is correct answer. Eighth one, how could Nick go to school? A, with the help of electric chair and team of carers. A is correct answer. Ninth one, I felt cold and bitter. What does the underlined expression mean? A is correct answer. He felt shivered. Nick, 10th one, Nick hated God because. D is correct answer. He was given a disabled body. Now section 2 vocabulary and grammar. 11th one, Nick dash a small foot on his left hip. 11th one, A is correct answer. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. 12th one, dash helps him balance and enables him to kick. B is correct answer. Which helps him. Now 13th one, he uses his one foot to type, write dash a pen. B is correct answer. With a pen and pick things up between his toes. Now 14th one, I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who dash born in Melbourne. Was is correct answer. So C is correct option. Who was born in Melbourne. Now 15th one, due to his faith as dash evangelical Christian. Now 15th one, A is correct answer. An evangelical Christian. Now section 3, 16th question. The football fan is now a motivate speaker and has traveled over 24 countries. Instead of motivate, we have to use motivational. Now correct option is B. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled over 24 countries. Next 17th question. He moved to Los Angeles 2 years ago 2007 and plans to continue to travel the world. Ago తర్వాత in 2007 అని చెప్పి రావాలి. సో ఏ is correct answer. He moved to Los Angeles 2 years ago in 2007 and plans to continue to travel the world. Now 18th one. Hence I fail. I am trying again and again and again. Now 18th one. C is correct answer. If I fail, I try again and again and again. Now 19th, it matters how it matters you how are you going to finish. 19th one, A is correct answer. It matters how you are going to finish. Now 20th. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love yourselves, he said. D is correct answer. Instead of yourselves, we have to use themselves. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. Now D is correct answer. Section 4, creative writing. In this segment, you have read about the confident attitude of Nick. But when Nick was 8 years old, he went to his mother crying and told her that he wanted to kill himself. ఈ లెసన్లో చూసినట్లయితే సో వీ రెడ్ అబౌట్ ది కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ నిక్. అతనికి చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉండేది ఈవెన్ దో హీ వాజ్ డిసేబుల్డ్ పర్సన్. బట్ వెన్ నిక్ వాజ్ 8 years ఓల్డ్, అతను 8 years ఓల్డ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు హీ వెంట్ టు హిస్ మదర్ క్రయింగ్, వాళ్ళ మదర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తాడు ఏడ్చుకుంటూ. సో అండ్ టోల్డ్ హర్ దట్ హీ వాంటెడ్ టు కిల్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్, అతనికి అతను చనిపోవాలంటే చంపేసుకోవాలన్నంత ఇంకా బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట అతనికి. సో హౌ హీస్ మదర్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ కన్సోల్డ్ హిమ్, వాళ్ళ మదర్ అప్పుడు అతన్ని ఏ విధంగా ఓదార్చింది అంటే ఏ విధంగా తనని ఇంకా కన్విన్స్ చేసిందో చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ. సో నౌ రైట్ ఏ పాసిబుల్ కన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ నిక్ అండ్ హిజ్ మదర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కాంటెక్స్ట్. సో వాళ్ళ మదర్ తనని ఏ విధంగా తను కన్విన్స్ చేసి ఉంటుంది, ఏ విధంగా తను ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి ఉంటుంది, తన లైఫ్లో ఇంకా ఏ విధంగా లీడ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా డేర్గా ఉండాలని ఏ విధంగా మాట్లాడిందో ఇక్కడ పాసిబుల్ కన్వర్జేషన్ ఒక 10 sentences వచ్చేలాగా రాయండి.